Welcome to the fifth module, which is a measure phase module. So we start discussing about the DMAIC cycle. So in which we discuss about the define phase. So where we mainly talk about who's our customer or what is the benefit of doing this particular project in terms of customer satisfaction wise or in terms of financial perspective, and how long would it take to complete this particular project. Whereas in a measure phase, we are mainly concerning about how we are doing currently, means we are trying to measure the process of the performance at a current level. So that means we mainly talk about how we can collect the data, how we can compare the current performance with the desired state level. So that means in order to do that, first of all, we need to collect the data, and the second thing, we need to calculate where we are standing right now, like such as what is the sigma level currently we have, what is the cycle time currently we have, what is the lead time currently we have. So we have to quantify all those things. So for that, we are going to discuss firstly about the process performance analysis. So in which we will discuss different types of tool which we can use to measure the process of the performance, as well as we will also talk about the value stream mapping, and then we will use the process lean process as well as six sigma matrix to quantify where we are standing right now, as I already discussed about, such as what is the sigma level of our process, what is the cycle time of our process, what is the lead time, and so on. So using different types of metrics, we will try to quantify where we are standing right now. So we will also talk about what are the types of the data we can collect and what is the tool which we can use to collect the data. Then we will discuss a bit about the sampling methods, okay, in order to study the entire population. So we need to understand some sampling techniques which we can use for the analysis purpose. Then we will discuss about the descriptive statistics from the Six Sigma, which will help us to understand using the historical data how our process is behaving. Then we will talk about the statistical process control, or you can say control chart. Basically, this particular tool is the part of the control phase tool. But right now we are discussing this tool. The reason behind it, because the knowledge of this tool is going to be used in these tools, like in measurement system analysis, in process capability. So, however, if we know the control charts, that would be easy for us to understand the measurement system analysis concept as well as the process capability. So in a measurement system analysis, we will try to understand how our measurement system is behaving, like operators variation as well as the equipment variation. And then at the end, we will discuss about the process capability, which is basically indicating the capability of our process, whether we would able to meet the customer specification limit or not. So thank you so much. See you in the next video, in which we are going to start discussing in detail about the process performance analysis point of view.